In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to center text here in Photopea. Now, there's a couple of different ways that we can actually do this. The first way is just clicking onto the text by making sure we have the layer enabled just here. And all we have to do is drag it to the center. And if we look carefully, it's going to pop it into place and we're going to see a little red cross. So if we look just here, right in the center, when we do this, we're going to see it pop into place, just like that. So that's one way that we can do this. Now, the other way to do this is by coming up to View, coming down to Add Guides, then we want to choose from pixels to percent. And in here, we can just put 50% and 50 in this one as well. Then when we click OK, we can then see this guide which has popped up, which makes it a lot easier to enter your text just like this. Now you can also do this with images as well, so just keep that in mind as well. Now if we want to disable this, the guides, we can simply come back up to View, go to Clear Guides, and now that is gone, and our text has been centered. So that's just how easy it is to center text here in Photopea. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.